So I finally got a moment in between working on stuff for the business, and I want to share this skill that I learned that I think might help you if you work with forensic data frequently. The state of the forensic industry right now is that there are just a ton of products that you need to use for any individual case. And it's not always the case that the thing exported from tool A is compatible with tool B, and that's where you need to do some work to manually transform or write a script yourself to transform that data. What I'm going to teach in this video is how to transform your data from format A to format B, or file type A to file type B, without needing to know how to write code or write your own scripts, even if you do 100 times faster than writing it yourself, and without needing to upload your forensic data to ChatGPT at all. Instead of asking ChatGPT to convert this file for you, which it's going to make all sorts of errors doing, you simply ask ChatGPT to write a script that you can run on top of this data to do the transformation for you. For me, at least, I didn't come up with this idea. My business partner, Thrasher, our CTO, came up with the idea. And when he shared it with me, it was like, oh my God, I'm going to start using this for transforming data every single time I need to do that. Hearing that might have already connected the dot in your head and you can just like stop watching this video, but I will just go ahead and show you guys an actual example here. So I have a very contrived example here that will helpfully connect the dots in your brain so that you can use this skill for your particular use case. But I have a KML file here, which is basically the location data off of a cell phone that was extracted from one of the big forensics tools, exported as a KML. And I need to convert this KML to a CSV so that I can import it to, let's say, Lumix. We do actually just support both file types, but this is the best way to explain it. So if I open this KML file in a text editor to view the exact contents here, you can see it's a big XML or KML file with timestamps and locations in the format of lat longs. Let's say we needed the timestamp, the latitude, and the longitude in each individual column in a CSV file. I've dragged my KML file into ChatGPT, and I literally just asked this question. Can you please write a Python script to convert this KML into a CSV with 3 columns, latitude, longitude, and timestamp from each place mark? So I can take this script, I can copy it, I can put it into a Python file in my same text editor, and then I can open wherever I'm gonna run a script from, in my case, the Mac terminal. Sorry if you don't use a Mac. I can simply run this script that ChatGPT just generated. I can run it against my KML file, tell it to generate a output.csv file, and then I now have a CSV file with the exact same data of our original KML, but it's a CSV. If I pull them up side by side here, I got the KML on the left and the CSV on the right. You can see the data just at a glance is exactly the same. All of the timestamps are exactly the same as far as the start and end. And if I press play on both really quickly, this one's a little bit behind, they're playing the exact same path. So like at a glance, I could say, okay, this data is probably the same. If I really went into the data, I would be able to verify all the points are exactly the same, the lat longs are exactly the same. And I just converted that from a KML to a CSV in about 2 minutes flat. If you're talking about like videos or photos, if you need to convert a JPEG to a PNG, you can obviously just do that with an online tool. But with things that are forensic data, like KML to CSV, where you need specific fields out of an XML file and you need to turn it into a CSV file, an online tool probably can't do that. I mean, maybe there's something out there. I find it easiest to just have ChatGPT write me the script, bada bing, bada boom, you have your result, and it's actually very, very good at doing it accurately. So yeah, that is literally it. That's the whole skill of transforming data from A to B using ChatGPT. This video is kind of a shot in the dark. It might just not be useful to anybody. So if it was, I would really, really appreciate if you liked the video or left a comment. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.